Look what we have here. Tommy at European Motors. We have what looks to me like a brand new BMW X5. This is a 2023 X5, the 40i, the turbocharged 6-cylinder. BMW's bread and butter, the best engine you can get in one of these X5s in our opinion here at European Motors. They have plenty of power, good fuel economy, and in our opinion a lot more reliable than the bigger V8 they put in some of these. This is a 2023, so this is the current body style. A nice set of Bridgestone tires. A little bit of wear on them just in that corner there. Good amount of tread on them though. Not new, but a lot of life left. Give you a peek at the interior. I love the diamond stitched seats that they put in these. Seats are in great condition, what you'd expect for a 2023. Huge sunroof. Let's see, miles, we have 40,693. I love those seats, they are just gorgeous. Heated seats as well. Oh, we'll get the back unlocked, show you in there as well. The diamond stitch seats in the back as well. Have USB-C chargers on both of the seats. They also have their own climate unit back here as well. Tri-zone climate. And then my favorite feature about these X5s, and I know we've said it in other videos, is the tailgate they have here. So you open your hatch, if you ran to the store, got something, it's not gonna fall out when you open that hatch. So if you're maybe driving spiritedly on the way home from the grocery store, if items shift to the back, they're not gonna fall out. This vehicle is an sDrive, so this is just a rear-wheel drive model. This vehicle came from down south. Really nice unit, and because it is two-wheel drive, this is gonna be a really good deal. This is gonna be several grand back of clean retail, no matter who you're looking up, JD Power, Kelley Blue Book, NADA. This is gonna be less than 40 grand for a 2023 with 40,000 miles. And as you can see, it is just in really nice shape. I love the newest design headlights that BMW are putting in these. I know we have a still photo of them here on our website. There is a small little scratch right there. I just noticed it, but step back, it just blends right in. But there is something there to be aware of. Let's take it for a spin. We'll take the camera. Get buckled up, we'll fire it up here. Push button start like you would expect. This has the new digital display in the center here. Love, you get your navigation map in there. You can change this as well and get all sorts of different information displayed here, as well as I see up, I don't know if you can see, but we have heads up display as well in the windshield. Really nice feature. Show them the backup camera here. Backup camera and a really nice 360 camera as well. And then we have our auto parking and backup assistant, just a ton of driver aids in this. And of course you have your blind spot monitoring. We'll click here, I'll show you all of them. It's gonna wait for the backup camera to click off here. See, we have forward collision mitigation, lane departure warning with steering intervention, active blind spot detection. Again, you can turn all these off if you don't like these features, but they are there, which is nice. I like to leave them on. It's for a little added safety. Really nice sound system in the 23 X5. Really nice sound system. This, of course, has your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and has navigation hard downloaded to the car as well. You can pick whichever one you prefer. So if you haven't seen our videos before, we just kind of spin these around the block, give them just about half pedal, show you just kind of everyday driving. An X540i, it has plenty of power. And like I said, this vehicle is going to be a really good deal. Again, I know it's going to be less than 40. I don't know exactly what, but it should say on the website by the time you're watching this video. Here's 55, 60, 65. Straight and true, no shakes, no shimmies, what you'd expect out of a 23. Get on the brakes. Just a really, really nice driving car. We do offer shipping to the lower 48 states. If you have any questions about that, give us a call. We'd be glad to get you more information on that. My name is Tommy. You can ask for Kyle as well. And we have Caleb holding the camera, helping me out today. Love to earn your business. EuropeanMotorsIowa.com, 319-393-8496. Give us a call with any questions. Thanks for watching.